So hello and welcome to another Enla tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to insert just about any text to your AutoCAD drawing. So let's start. So we have AutoCAD up and running, we have Enla up and running, it is here, you already know this, and for today we are going to use new option called FX. So FX is actually a field where you can insert and type just about anything, and that includes any text or any math equation or any variable that is going to be drawn out of a connected object. So a lot of words, let's try it. So first we are going to turn on FX, and I'm also going to turn off length because I'm not going to need it. What I care about is this field here, and this is actually new user interface part that is now available. It is turned on, and you can see here that you have sort of drawers that actually contain something, and they contain something. They contain these FX functions, and you can change active one. It is only one is active at the time, and at the moment the first one is active. So I'm going to select something just so that we have something to play with. And functions have also some name. Name is not important. It can be anything. What is important and where all the fun is here. And here you can write any text, and really any text. And this text can be combined with math expressions or variables, like I said. So as you can see, this text here shows up here, because for each of these functions, each of these items in this list box is going to be evaluated. So whatever you write here applies to each of these items here. So if you select another one here, it will be also applied. This function here applies to all. Okay, so as you can see now, the text is in quotation marks because it is a text. It is kind of the way text works. And if we want to use some numbers or something, like some math, we can just type numbers without quotation marks. So this is the number, and I promised you can do math. So let's divide this by 2, for example. And if you can see, it really does not evaluate this division. That is because we actually have combined text and numbers. So just so that app knows what we plan to do, we'll put this in kind of this. And right away you can see that this math is performed, this equation is evaluated, and here is the result. But what's the point of this result if it's all the same? Well, because, like I said also, you can use variables. And one of which is, if you put your mouse here, you will see it's length, area, tag. They're all in help document. So I'm going to use one, and that is L. So right away you can see that this number is no longer 5. So each of these items in this list box has a different number. And let's say this is length in centimeters, and you want to have it in meters. So what you need to do actually is to divide by 100. Again, it is just shown here, but you want it really divided, so you put it in brackets, and here it is divided. So now with this you can do whatever you want. You can click here to insert next object as text, and you can see it's really any text 1.17. It is maybe here zoom to. So it's really nice toy to play with, and let's say that I want to show you something else I did not previously show. Let's say I want to write this centimeter here. So now, as you can see, yes, text needs to be in quotation marks. What I want to show you that now that I click this, the number that was here previously, the text that was here previously, did not change. That is because all the texts that are placed, so all text items, all text positions, they are not connected in drawing. That means that each time you click insert, that's it, connection is gone. And that is important because some programs connect all this, but I think that I did not want to do that. So here is without connection. Okay, unconnected. So this is it. This is formula field. And what else can be done in formula? Well, like I said, L, you can use L, you can use A, you can use N. N is interesting. N is actually position in list. So let's say you want to click, I don't know, let's say you have 1, 2, 3 lines, okay, and you click on 1, 2, 3, and you have N here, and you can also write on a line number, and then click insert. Oh, it's a mess, really, but you get the point. The point is line number 1, line number 2, line number 3. Sorry for this dance part. Okay, so I think you get it, and I think it's a really nice toy, really interesting toy to play, and sometimes I drift along and just get in position of trying what can I do, what can I calculate, although sometimes you really get to see that it's the things you try to calculate, it's kind of useless, but it is possible. So that's it for today, and thank you for watching.